In front of me is Poco X6 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by selecting Recorder app and clicking on this gear at the top right corner. Following that, manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. Then to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. If you never used Recorder before, select while using the app or allow in the pop-ups. And as you can see, after that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Tap on rename and type in wherever you wish to. To save its new name, hit OK. Lastly, to get rid of it, hold it as well. But this time select Delete in the same pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!